Hello friends, welcome to Uniquely Vintage You. My name is Michelle and I'm so glad that you're here. Today we're doing things a little different. So I'm sitting here working on this video and I just had to share with you my little setup I have here. I just got through watching Margot and she made the most fabulous caramel frappe, and so I had to make that. Margot, thank you for the inspiration. I will leave your video linked below. But today is all about Prime Day. I just wanted to share with you some of the great deals that we've bought to curate our homes and some of the things that we absolutely love from Amazon. Now, like I said, Amazon Prime Day is coming up the 11th and the 12th, so I just want to share with you some of the things, like I said, in our homes that we love. Some of them will be on sale and some of them won't, but I just had to share with you these things. So I love these candles. I've shared them over and over. They're the Flameless flickering candles. They're battery operated. What I love about these is you can set them on timers, you can set them dim, you can set them so that they're brighter, you can set them where they just have a constant burn so they're solid like this, or you can hit the flicker and they will flicker and move, which I like the best. But this is just a staple. I use it over and over and it's so convenient to have the remote. I'm not constantly trying to turn them on and off or pick them up, which is amazing. So here they are on sale. They're 6% off right now. So I think this is a great investment. Now here are the lanterns that I have, and they're very expensive. I didn't buy mine on Amazon, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. I actually found mine at Tuesday morning. But this is my sister's light. We always get so many questions about her light fixtures in her home, and they're absolutely beautiful, and she did get them on Amazon. This is only $179 and it is such a statement piece, and all of her lights really go together. This one that she has right above the dining table, it's so pretty. And also I want to also link the shade that she has right there as well. The shade that she has in her window is something else that she loves, and so that was another find that she was able to score on Amazon. But if you're looking for lights, these are beautiful ones that she has changed out in our parents' home, which is now her home, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because we absolutely love them. Okay, here is the Minka light that she has that's hanging in the dining room. As you can see, it comes in different widths. And then here is her shades that are in her windows. She has the bigger one that is, of course, for double windows, but she loves that. Now moving on into her living room, this is the ceiling mount that she has there, and this is matching to the dining room. It's so pretty. She loves this light. It gives off the perfect amount of light, and I believe this one is on sale. Yes, this one is on sale for 13% off, so that's a great deal as well. Now for the entryway, it's not very big, it's really small, so she found the most beautiful entry light, which mimics the one in her kitchen. These little crystals are so beautiful. It gives just the right amount of glam without overdoing it, but it is definitely a beautiful light fixture that she really enjoys. When doing her renovation, she wanted to change out the lights in the hallway and her doorknobs. So she started with these lights, and she found these at such a great price. I believe that these were, I think, $50, and they came in so many different finishes. $56, but they are 40% off, which is such a great deal. The knobs that she changed out were these beautiful black with just a touch of bronze on them. And again, these come in so many different colors to choose from. And again, these are 56% off right now, and so that makes them $25. And like I said, they come in so many different finishes. The next thing that she added to her home that we all love is this gorgeous mirror that she has placed on her mantle. It is so beautiful. The color gold is just the perfect gold. It's not too gold, it's not too brassy, it's just the perfect gold. It's not real shiny, it's just beautiful. So if you're looking for a really beautiful gold mirror, I think this one is definitely a great one. It does have what looks to be little imperfections right around the edges, but I just think that makes it look more like it's handmade. I don't know, it's just absolutely stunning. And it comes in gold and black. Now to share some of the things in my home. I love these coasters. I love the chippy white. That's what I have, but they also come in 3 other colors. Another favorite find that I found on Amazon was this beautiful blanket. It's kind of a linen, a little bit of waffle material. It is so nice. I love it. It's lightweight. It's absolutely perfect for summer. And I have the smaller one right here, which I'm trying to show you, that I'm just using on my couch, but I'm actually going to order the bigger one for my bedroom because the price is cheaper than this small one. So I wanted to go ahead and show you that. And if you're looking for any of these things, they will be linked in our Amazon store, and that will be in the description below. So here's the blanket. It's actually 30% off, plus there's a coupon. If you see a coupon, make sure you click that, because when you go to checkout, that will give you an additional 10% off. So I love that. It has so many different colors to pick from, and I think this is such a quality blanket. I love having it just displayed in a basket too when I'm not using it. But here's the blanket for your bed. It's the same thing. And look at this price, $29.89, and it's a huge size. Another piece that I love to style is this 3-tier tray. And I know it's a little farmhouse, but I think it works perfect regardless. I love it. I had displayed it for all the seasons. This is just me showing you my spring display in here. But I absolutely love this 3-tier tray, and it is 26% off right now. So I will, again, like I said, have that linked for you below. Here's another score that I found that works so well. Now, just to show you how this works, you can tell my little sisal rug is just, or jute rug, is like curling up on one corner, which drives me crazy. So I bought this. It says it's not to be used for these type of rugs, but as you can see, I adhered it and it's not going anywhere, and it has actually lasted for quite a long time. So I love this. It's 13% off. It's only $6.99. So if you have rugs that you want to keep in place, this is perfect. I think you guys will love this. Now, here is the little power washer that my sister and I got when we were doing our porch makeovers. We got the Portland one. It's $128. I really like it, but here's one with more goodies attached to it. It's 43% off right now, so it's $129. So I thought I would link that because that's such a good deal. Plus you can clip the coupon for an extra 10% off. And to click the coupon, you will just click the little box right beside it, and then it will change to an arrow letting you know that that coupon is clipped. Now, my dad had these knife blocks. I don't know what they're called. They're like little stones that he would sharpen our knives with them, but I can never get that to work. So I invested in this little easy tool, which it's got a rubber grip on both sides. You just pull your knife through and it makes it so sharp. So easy, foolproof. I love this so much. And the best thing about this is right now it's only $3.98. So if you need a knife sharpener, this is an amazing one. So go grab this. So here's another thing that I get asked about all the time is this star tray. This is from Park Hill. I got it at Amazon and it's a little pricey. You get 2 trays, but I use it all the time. So I just wanted to include it so you guys can see where I got it. The next thing I want to share with you is just this iron. Now, I have spent money on so many irons. They don't get my clothes, the wrinkles out, and I hate that. So I went back to this old-timey looking iron, and it does the most amazing job. Now, this isn't on sale, but I just wanted to include it because, again, it's one of my favorite things. And if you have an iron that has all the bells and whistles but really doesn't get the wrinkles out, try this one. I think you guys will love it. So if you guys are in need for some organization in your refrigerators, then we have the perfect thing for you. My sister got these trays. They are perfect for your refrigerator, but also you can use them in your cabinets, in the bathroom, wherever you might need them. But she was tired of a refrigerator just not being organized, so she grabbed these, and you can see what a huge difference that this has already made, keeping things organized and more together, so easy to pull out and grab what you need. So it's just a perfect thing to have, and it's such a great deal going on right now. So the last things I want to share with you is my sister bought this pool for Easton, and he is loving it this summer. He also absolutely loves this airplane pool toy. It has a little gun where you can shoot water, and he plays with it all the time. It's lasted for so long, but he is just enjoying this pool so much. So we just thought we would throw this in for fun. If you're looking for a good one, this is definitely a great one. I know this video is a little different than what we normally do, but I just wanted to let you guys know that we will have a lot of great things linked in our Amazon store for what will be coming up on Prime Day. My sister's listing some clothes, some fashion, so we'll just have a lot of different fun things. So if you need to shop and you don't know where to start, go check out our store. It will be linked in the description below, and that will give you our direct link. But guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. And before I go, I just want to leave you with this beautiful Bible verse. We walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. You know, I have to walk this out in my life daily because I have heard the voice of God give me a promise. And you know, when you're standing on the promises of God and you're waiting for those things to happen, it's so easy to get discouraged because they don't happen in your own time. But friends, don't give up. Walk by faith. Trust the Lord because He never fails. We serve such a mighty, great God. Guys, thank you for being here. We appreciate you so very much, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, friends.